Similar to Anne, I'm not, I'm health and safety and emergency planning. So I'm here really from a business continuity perspective, and really found day one very interactive and learned quite a lot on day one. I think perhaps there were sometimes it went slightly too technical for me. I'm just saying it went a little bit over my head. And I think that's okay. And I've recognized that. I don't need to know the ins and outs of it, but the process and what we should be looking at and how to go about doing that, and some top tips I think that I can bring forward to my internal IT team. Unfortunately, they weren't able to get onto the course. I was a late add-on, shall we say, to the course. So I think in the future, yes, definitely, get more people involved. And thinking about it. We are thinking about cyber. I don't think anyone appreciates how massive of a task it is, not only for our IT team themselves. They have so much to do, but as we were speaking earlier this morning, our IT team don't even know how many products are out there being used by other departments. And what impact they may have, and that query that I think even others on the call have identified an issue of how secure are they, and will they answer those questions, and that something as small as that can have a catastrophic impact on our entire system. And I think that the appreciation for that has definitely come through. The style, I normally don't like online learning. I generally don't. I don't find I get much out of it, but the way it's worked, I found this more interactive and more engaging than others that I have been on since COVID kicked in, and online learning has become the new norm, and has allowed me to bring more back really to those in my organization. So thanks very much.